Hello viewers. So today we are going to yoga session which is very helpful for our body, for our health. So never ever forget to do yoga or exercise to keep your body fit and healthy. Always do exercise every day. So, I'm your friend Deepa, and today in this video we will learn 6 yoga posture and their benefits. So, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. And if you want to add something or share your views, your opinion, then please comment in comment box. So let's start with first yoga posture, which is Kapal Bhati. So let me tell you something about this yoga posture. This is a this is a breathing exercise which is a part of a yoga. Okay, so in first of all, in with this yoga posture, we have to sit in a good posture and just keep your hand like this and on your knee, and take a deep breathing. Hold just few seconds and breathe out. This uh, this posture you have to do uh, fast like this. You can see in the video. So if you do like this at 50 times in 1 minute, then you can reduce your belly fat. Yes guys, it is very helpful and very effective to those people who want to reduce their belly fat as soon as. And it also improve your memory power and immune system and nervous system as well. And it's uh, it's makes strong your digestion system as well, and keeps you healthy. So we uh, we take next yoga posture, which is, so next we are going to do Natarajasana. So for this we have to stand like this and hold your leg with one hand and one hand like in air. Keep it in air and stretch your body. This yoga posture called Natarajasana. And if I talk about its benefit, so it stretch stretches your shoulders, thigh, and your chest as well, and improve your balance. So next we'll do Tadasana. So let me tell you, for this asana we have to stand, and we have to put our body body weight on paw, and our hand, uh, raise hand up like this, and and stretch your body like this. If I talk about its benefit, so it strengthens thigh, arms, and back muscles, and also improve your body alignment. Next, we are going to do Nokasan. For this yoga posture, we have to lay down like this, and we have to try to make body posture like this, and straight your like this, and hold for 15 seconds. It's called Nokasan. If I talk about you its benefit, then it gives strength to our hips, thigh, and back muscles. It also reduce our belly fat and improve circulation of blood.